Hey, hello guys. So guys, today I am going to show you something important in Outlook. How can you make categories for all the emails? And you can issue the colors for each category: red category, blue category, or red green category, or so on. Okay, so let's start. You receive too many emails every day, and some emails are very important and you want to categorize these emails. So what will we do to categorize this email? First, we will click on view in our Outlook Office 365, Outlook 365. We will click on view and then view setting, and then you will go to rules. Here you will click on add new rules. Here I write suppose categories, and from here I choose the category, yani people I choose from. You can give the specific address, yani you want to add in red category, so you can select this. Suppose I choose this, I choose this, I choose this. Okay, now when you will receive the emails from these people, so it will be categorized what now you are going to give it. Now we will click on add an action, and from here we will select categorize. Now when you will click on it, the another box will appear, and from here you can choose the color and in which color you want to give them. Suppose I choose blue category. Okay, if you want to add another condition or another action, you can perform it, but for now I am just choosing this. I save it. Okay, now this category has been added. See, this is the categories. I give the name categories. So now you have to run this rule. Run rule now. Okay, so I click on it, and now it will start, and this rule will apply on these emails. So now you can see this rule has been applied. I close this, and you can see now the emails what I added, this is in blue category. Now the other emails are not in the category, but these emails are in blue category. So the same thing I can do with the red category or green category. The last I will say, if you are new on my channel, please subscribe, share this video. Till the next video, take care.